Hi students, good afternoon. So in the last video we have started the poem Macavity and we have seen first four stanzas, right? So let me revise shortly. Listen. So we have seen that Macavity is the name of a cat. It is a mystery cat, that is it performs many mysterious activities. Okay. So first stanza, Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair, for when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So Macavity is a mystery cat, mysterious cat. It is also called as hidden paw. So, and it is the master criminal who disobeys all the law. So he is a bafflement for the Scotland Yard. Scotland Yard is the headquarters of the London Metropolitan Police Service. So it causes total confusion for them as they could not find the Macavity, because if there is any crime, Macavity cannot be found at the place of crime. So second stanza, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. He breaks the law of gravity. His power of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So there is no cat like Macavity because it is the master criminal. So he breaks all the human laws and it breaks even the law of gravity. So it's power of levitation. So levitation means the action of rising and floating in the air like the fakirs. Who are fakirs? Fakirs are the holy persons. Okay. So why they are comparing to the fakirs means because after committing the crime it immediately flies away from the place. And when the police reaches the place of crime, Macavity cannot be found there. And third stanza, you may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. Okay, so we may find the Macavity. Seek means search. We may search for Macavity in the basement, that is in the underground. We may search for it in the sky. But I tell you once again, but the poet says that wherever we search, Macavity is not there because it is a ginger cat. Ginger cat means it is very alert and it will be very cautious. So the cat is very tall and thin. So you would know him if you saw him. So if we see the cat, we can identify by its appearance because it will be looking very tall and thin and its eyes will be sunken inside. Next stanza, his brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with the movements like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. Okay, so his brow is deeply lined with thought. So his eyebrows are very deeply lined because its mind is always filled with thoughts. His head is highly domed, that is its head is in the dome shape. His coat is very dusty because it has no time to clean the coat. His whiskers are uncombed. Whiskers na enna? So on the cat hairs irukku near the mouth, around the mouth, that is called as whiskers. So it is not combed because it has no time. It moves its head from side to side like a snake. And when we think it is half asleep, no, definitely it is not asleep because it will be always wide awake. Okay, because it will be always awakening. So till this we have seen in the last video. So let us continue from the fifth stanza. So listen. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity, for he is a fiend in felon shape. a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime is discovered, then McCavity is not there. Okay, so there is no one like McCavity, for he is a fiend in fellowship. So, what is the meaning of fiend? Is like a demon, like a monster in the shape of a cat. So, it is a monster, it is a devil in the shape of a cat, a monster of depravity. Depravity means evil quality. Evil quality means bad quality. So, why it is said that it is said of having bad quality means because it will be always committing some crimes. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime is discovered, then McCavity is not there. So you may meet him in a by street. By street means in the nearby street. Okay, you can meet him in the nearby street. You may see him in the square. Square means in some plazas or in some open areas. But when a crime is discovered, so நம்ம அதை எங்கே வேணாலும் பார்க்கலாம், ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரீட்டில் பார்க்கலாம், ஒரு ஓப்பன் பிளேஸில் பார்க்கலாம். பட் எங்கேயாவது ஒரு க்ரைம் நடந்துருச்சு அப்படிங்கிற நியூஸ் நமக்கு வந்ததுன்னா, so who will be the committer of that crime means definitely McCavity will be the committer of that crime, but we cannot see McCavity there. Then McCavity is not there. Okay, so what is this McCavity? There is no one like McCavity. McCavity மாதிரி யாருமே இருக்க முடியாது, because it is here he refers to McCavity the cat, mystery cat. Okay, for he is a fiend in fellowship. So fiend means it is a monster, it is a devil in the shape of a cat. It is a monster of evil quality because it performs many theft. You may meet him in a by street. We may meet the McCavity in the street, or we may meet it in an open place. But when a crime is discovered, definitely we cannot find the McCavity there. Okay, next stanza. He is outwardly respectable. They see he cheats at cards, and his footprints are not found in any file of the Scotland yards. And when the ladder is looted, or the jewel cases rifled, or when the milk is missing, or another peck is being stifled. So, he is outwardly respectable. So, his outward appearance will be very respectable. ரொம்ப மரியாதையாக இருக்கும் அதோட outward appearance பார்த்தோம்னா, it will be very respectable. They say he cheats at cards, but people say that it is a fraud because it is committing many crime. And his footprints are not found in any file of the Scotland yards. So, McCavity தான் அந்த தெஃப்ட்டுக்கெல்லாம் ரீசன் அப்படின்னு ப்ரூவ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு no footprints are found in any file of the Scotland Yard. ஸோ ஏதாவது க்ரைம் அப்படின்னா அந்த க்ரைமை ஃபைல் பண்ணி வச்சுருப்பாங்க இல்லையா போலீஸ். ஸோ அதுக்கு எவிடன்ஸாக அதோட ஃபுட் பிரிண்ட்ஸ் எங்கேயுமே இல்லை போலீஸோட ஃபைலில். they cannot find the proof footprints of the McCavity. And when the ladders looted, ladders means the cupboard in which the food is stored. அதுதான் ladders. Looted means theft. So when the ladder is looted, that is theft, or the jewel case is rifled. Jewel case means jewel box, the box in which the jewels are kept. When the jewel case is rifled, rifled means ransacked to steal. ஸோ என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, திருடுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, அந்த திங்ஸை எல்லாம் களைச்சி போட்டு கண்ணாபின்னான்னு இழுத்து போட்டு உள்ளே என்ன இருக்குன்னு அப்படின்னு தேடுவாங்க இல்லையா, தட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் ransacking. ஸோ வென் த ஜுவல் பாக்ஸ் இஸ் ரைஃபிள்ட், ஆர் வென் த கபோர்ட் இஸ் looted, ஆர் வென் த மில்க் இஸ் மிஸ்ஸிங். ஸோ ஏதாவது ஒரு வீட்டில் கபோர்ட் இஸ் looted, when the cupboard is looted, or when the jewel case is rifled, or when the milk is missing, or another pecky is being stifled. So pecky means it is a small beautiful Chinese dog. It is a small beautiful Chinese dog, that is called as pecky, a Pekingese dog. Okay, so or another pecky is being stifled. Stifled means killing by pressing the throat. Okay, so ஏதாவது ஒரு பெக்கி டாக் வந்து அதோட கழுத்தை நெரிச்சு கொண்டு போட்டிருந்தாங்க அப்படின்னா So who is the reason for all this is definitely Macavity. So அதெல்லாம் யார் பண்ணிருப்பாங்கன்னா definitely Macavity. So its outward appearance will be respectable, but people say that he is a fraud. His footprints are not found in any file of the Scotland police. When the cupboard used for storing food is looted, or when the jewel case is ransacked, or when the milk is missing, or when a Pekingese dog had been killed, who is the reason for all this? Definitely the Macavity. So the next stanza, or the greenhouse glass is broken and the trellis past repair, there is the wonder of the thing, Macavity is not there. And when the foreign office find a treatise gone astray, or the Admiralty lost some plans and drawings by the way. So, or the greenhouse glass is broken. So, when the glass in any house is broken, and the trellis past repair. So, what is the meaning of trellis? Means they will be keeping the wooden bar, that is the wooden bar used as a support for the creepers. So என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, அந்த creepersலாம் இப்படி climb ஆகிறதுக்காக they will be keeping some wooden sticks இல்லையா, that is called as trellis. And the trellis past repair, hey, there is the wonder of thing, Macavity is not there. So when the greenhouse gas is broken, or when the trellis past repair, so when the greenhouse glass is broken and the trellis past repair. So trellis means the wooden bar used for climbing of the creepers, so that the creepers will climb on it. Okay, so when it is repair, so adellам collapse ஆயிருந்துச்சு அப்படினா, hey, there is the wonder of the thing. So definitely who will be the reason for that? Macavity, the mystery cat, will be the reason. And when the foreign office find a treatise gone astray. Okay, and when the foreign office find a treatise gone astray, it means when a file of treatise signed by the foreign office is missing. Okay, so foreign office la sign பண்ண ஒரு treaty miss ஆகுது அப்படினா, or the Admiralty lost some plans and drawings by the way. So Admiralty means a government department that administered the British Navy. Okay, in those days the government department which administered the British Navy is called as Admiralty. So Navy nale enna irukum, they will have the drawings, they will have the maps for the route, adella irukku illaya. So and the plans and the drawings ellam miss ஆகுது. So foreign treaty sign பண்ண paper miss ஆகுது, file miss ஆகுது அப்படினா, or when the greenhouse glass is broken, when the support used for the creepers were repaired, when it is collapsed, when all this happens, who is the reason for that? Macavity is the reason for that, but it cannot be found anywhere in the spot of the crime. Let us go for the next stanza. There may be a scrap of paper in the hall or on the stair, but it is useless to investigate. Macavity is not there. And when the loss has been disclosed, the Secret Service say it must have been Macavity, but he is a mile away. So what is the meaning of this stanza is, there may be a scrap of paper in the hall or on the stair, but it is useless to investigate. Okay, so there may be a little scrap of paper. Scrap na inna piece of paper. Okay, so there may be a piece of paper found in the hall or in the stair, that is in the steps, but it is useless to investigate. But on the piece of paper vechikku, definitely it is very useless to investigate, because Macavity will not be there. And when the loss has been disclosed, the Secret Service say it must have been Macavity, but he will be mile away. He is a mile away. So when the loss has been disclosed, So and the laws disclose பண்ணாங்க அப்படின்னா the secret service will say that definitely the mistake will be committed by the McCavity, but it is not here. It might be far away, very far away, miles away from the place of crime. Okay, so what is said in this stanza is, so we may find a piece of paper as a evidence in the hall or in the that is in the steps, but it is very useless to investigate, because after investigation every knows that definitely McCavity is the reason for the crime, but he cannot be found there because it might be mile away from the place of crime. That is, it might be far away from the place of crime. Okay, let us go for the next stanza. You will be sure to find him resting or a licking of his thumbs or engaged in doing complicated long division sums. McCavity, McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. There never was a cat of such deceitfulness and suavity. Okay, so you will be sure to find him resting. So definitely we can find him resting. Resting means taking rest, or a licking of his thumb. So cats usually have the habit of licking their thumbs. Yeah? So you may be sure to find him. So with no doubt, without any doubt, we can see him resting somewhere, or licking his thumbs, or engaged in doing complicated long division sums, or it might be busy in doing very complicated, means very difficult long division sums. That is என்ன long division sums, எந்த வீட்ல எப்படி திருடலாம், that is his plans. Okay, so McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. So no one can be like the McCavity, the mystery cat. There never was a cat of such deceitfulness and suavity. Okay, deceitfulness means cunningness. Suavity means confidence. So it is such a cunning cat. At the same time, it has a lot of confidence that it cannot be found by anyone. Okay, so what is said in this stanza? You will be sure to find him taking rest. Without any doubt, we can see him. We can find him taking rest or licking his thumbs, or engaged in doing some long division sums, that is complicated long division. That is, it will be very busy in preparing some plans for thieving in the next house. But so there can be no cat like the McCavity. There never was a cat of such deceitfulness. Deceitfulness means cunningness and confidence. Okay, it is such a mystery cat. Now come to the last stanza. He always has an alibi and one or two to spare. At whatever time the deed took place, McCavity was not there, and they say that all the cats whose wicked deeds are widely known. I might mention Mungojery, I might mention Griddlebone, are nothing more than agents for the cat who all the time just controls their operations, the Napoleon of crime. So he always has an alibi. Who always has an alibi? McCavity. He refers to McCavity. So what is the meaning of alibi means? That is the excuse given by some person for committing a crime. Okay. A claim of evidence that one was elsewhere when a crime was committed. So எப்போவுமே அது என்ன வச்சுருக்கோம், 1 or 2 assistant வச்சுருக்கோம். ஓகே, 1 or 2 to spare. எதுக்கு அப்படின்னா, ஸோ இந்த க்ரைம் நடந்தப்போ அங்கே இந்த McCavity இல்லை அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறதுக்காக இட் வில் பி ஆல்வேஸ் கீப்பிங் சம் அசிஸ்டன்ஸ். At whatever time the deed took place. So deed na work. Here the meaning for deed is the crime. At whatever time the deed took place, McCavity was not there. So at whatever time the crime took place, definitely McCavity will not be present in the place of the crime. And they say that all the cats whose wicked deeds are widely known. I might mention Mungojery and Griddlemon. So Mungojery and Griddlemon. So these two cats, these are the names of the cats. Okay. So these are the names of the fictional characters specialized in the petty thefts and mischief in T.S. Eliot's book Old Possum's Book of Practical Cats. See here they have given Mangojery and Griddlebone, fictional characters specialized in the petty thefts and mischief in T.S. Eliot's book Old Possum's Book of Practical Cats. So, இது ரெண்டும் ஒரு fictional character. Fictional character means Mangojery and Griddlebone are the name of the cat. இது ஒரு fictional character. Fictional character means imaginary character involved in the theft. Okay, இந்த ரெண்டு கேட்டும் என்ன பண்ணும்? Like Macavity, they too will be involving in crime and mischief in T.S. Eliot's book Old Possum's Book of Practical Cats. So, இந்த ரெண்டு கேரக்டரும் அவரோட புக் எந்த புக்? Old Possum's Book of Practical Cats அப்படிங்கிற புக்கில் வர ரெண்டு fictional characters Mangojery and Griddlebone. Okay, so here the author would like, the poet would like to mention Mangojery and Griddlebone are nothing more than agents for the cat who all the time just control their operations. So, இது ரெண்டு கேரக்டருமே என்ன? இது Mangojery and Griddlebone மே just they are the agents of whom? Macavity. So, எல்லாத்தையும் விட மாஸ்டர் கிரிமினல் எது? Macavity is the master criminal, the Napoleon of crime, the leader of all the crime, the commanding leader of the criminals. எல்லா criminalsக்கும் leader யாரு? Macavity is the leader for all the crimes. Okay, so this is a funny poem. So here in this poem, the funny crimes committed by the cat is explained by the poet in a humorous way. So let us sum up what we have seen in today's class. So what is this stanza? So Macavity, it is a monster in the shape of a cat. It is doing many evil qualities. We can meet him in the street or in an open place. But when a crime is found, definitely Macavity will not be there in the place of crime. So its outward appearance is very respectable. But people say that it is a cheat, and its footprints are not found in any file of the Scotland Yards. When the cupboard is looted, when the stored cupboard is looted, or when the jewel box is rifled, or when that is ransacked, or when the milk is missing, or when a Pekingese dog, that is a small beautiful Chinese dog, has been killed by crushing its throat, அதாவது அதோட கழுத்தை நெரிச்சு கொண்டு இருந்தது அப்படின்னா, definitely who might be the reason for all this is, definitely it is this Macavity. Okay, so when the greenhouse glass is broken, that is when the greenhouse glass of any house is broken, that is when the window glass is broken, or when the trellis is confused, that is the wooden bar used as a support for the creepers is found collapsed. Who is the reason? Macavity is the reason. And when the foreign of, that is when the treaty signed paper is missing, or when the drawings and maps of the Admiralty were missing, definitely who is the reason? Macavity is the reason for all this crime. So there may be a piece of paper found in the hall or in the steps, but it is very useless to investigate because Macavity definitely cannot be found there, because it will be found a mile away, that is in a far off distance. So we can surely find him taking rest in some place by licking his thumbs, or it may be engaged in the complicated long division sums, that is it might be engaged in planning some serious theft. Okay, so no, there can be no cat like Macavity because it was such a cunning and confident cat. Okay, see, he always has an alibi, that is some assistant. An alibi na ஒரு assistant or one or two assistant அதுக்கு always இருப்பாங்க. எதுக்கு? எதுக்கு அதுக்கு சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு இந்த மிஸ்டேக் நடக்கிறப்போ இந்த கேட் இங்கே இல்லை அப்படின்னு அதுக்கு சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக. ஓகே. At whatever time the deed took place, whenever the crime took place, எப்போ அந்த crime நடந்தாலும் McCavity was not there. See, they have given this in bold letters. So what is the meaning? எங்கே எந்த பிளேஸில் எந்த ஊரில் எந்த வீட்டில் எங்கே எந்த crime இருந்தாலும் everyone knows very well that McCavity is the reason for that crime. But அங்கே கண்டிப்பாக யார் இருக்க மாட்டாங்க. McCavity will not be there. And they say that all the cats whose wicked deeds are widely known. So here the poet likes to mention Mangojery and the Griddlebun. They are the fictional imaginary characters in the T.S. Eliot's poem Old Possums Book of Practical Cats. So அது ரெண்டு தான் ஒரு பெரிய கிரிமினல் கேட் அப்படின்னு அது வரைக்கும் நினச்சிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. பட் அதோட லீடரே யார்? McCavity தான். பிகாஸ் இட் இஸ் த master criminal, the Napoleon of crime, that is the commanding leader of the criminals. Okay, so this is about the poem McCavity the Mystery Cat. Hope every one of you have understood. Thank you for watching. And one more work what you have to do is, see here, so read the poem once again and complete the summary using the words given in the box. So do this. They have given the answers in the box. So fill this yourself and read the book back questions given here. Okay. So we can continue the remaining that is we can continue the figures of speech in the next class. Okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you.